it on the vacuum pump. Camera's gonna be jumpy. I dropped my magnet somewhere, so I gotta find my magnet for my iPhone. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. So we're all set up there. Pulling the vacuum down. Where's that magnet at? Oh, I don't have it. I need to find one. Let's use this magnet to straighten out the phone. Bam. Alright, look who ran out of stickers. I had to use my paint pen. And then we're going to be about ready. We'll go upstairs and see where we're at on our vacuum. My H.V.A.C was cut in there, and then I wrapped it with foam tape. What else? That's a good hack right there. Paint pen. Sharpie paint pen. I think I'll have them sweep up. This is where all the taps are going. All the beer taps. Alright, got the old vacuumer going. Where are we at right now? 470. .470 and dropping. So yeah, we could try to tighten this test. I might let it pull down a little bit more, and we'll see. And I got a filter dryer there. I'm gonna put the gas out of the recovery tank through the filter dryer and back in. Even though that was a clean recovery tank, we had to pull the big vacuum on it, so, and it was fresh from the recycler, so who knows what's in there. 465 now. Doing a good job. It's got fresh oil. Let's see what the oil looks like. Oh yeah, not bad. Alright. I'm at 460 now. I'll let it go down a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going ahead and filling up through filter dryer into the unit. You can see it's filling. I'm filling liquid into the receiver. Then we'll get ready to start this thing up and see how much the charge it is. Add our 10% for the head master valve. Low side shut off. Just filling through the receiver right now. I got my scale up here and we'll see how much it takes. I got 3 pounds in there so far, working on 4. That's where we're at. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to start her up here. Now, this is a 3-phase scroll condensing unit, so we got 50-50 chance of it having the correct rotation. So you want to listen to the sound and then see if your suction pressure drops. Okay, so there it is running. Look at the pressures and listen to it. So that's going backwards. Okay, so that's going backwards. So to correct your rotation on 3-phase, all you have to do is change any 2 legs. So we'll change these 2 right here to get the right rotation. All right, let's try that again. Now look at the suction pressure coming down. See that? Now we got the right rotation going. Let's see what this little bugger does. Get her going here. There's my amp trough, 5.3, because I'm not all the way charged up yet. It says on the nameplate 9er. I'm at 5. We'll go through all of it there in just a sec. All right, YouTubes. So I don't have any more video from the install because I switched iPhones. I obviously didn't back up all my footage from the same day. I thought I did, but I didn't. I'm not the most tech savvy guy. So that's gonna do it. The box cycles off. Yeah, I like the way it's running. Huge improvement for the customer. I think the job came out pretty nice. And now we'll get to NorCal's tip of the day.
Tip of the day.
All right, NorCal Dave here. I'll give you the little business heads up here at the ballpark for the kids. Bam. Probably the best bang for your buck advertising is get out to your little league, hit your local area. If you got your own business, or you tell your boss, and the whole town's gonna see your sign at the ballpark, and you can't beat it. Bang for the buck, baby, bang for the buck. All right, that's NorCal's tip of the day. Tip of the day.